Okay, so the last bunch to go through is this box. So let's clear a little bit of space and let's get her done. I'm not expecting to pull too many cards from here, but we'll see. As you can see, I don't spend a lot of time on this, and you know, a decision I made yesterday with some of these duplicates, I may make a different decision today, and I'm okay with that. It's just going with my gut instinct and trying to get this down to a manageable. Oh, I hate these ones. So I got rid of a lot more cards than I thought, so I have a little bit of space here, quite a bit here, and even in the 4x6 I've got. So I'm hoping that all of these should fit, which they will, no problem. And this might be a snug fit, but I'm hoping that I can get these in here as well. And then this will be a box for my travel, because I've got a lot of travel stuff here. So that's good. And I think everything else is going to go in different project files, and this will be what I will use to make cards. So let me file these into here, and then I'm going to stack everything up that I'm going to get rid of, just so you can see the total volume of what I'm going to purge. Okay? So I'll be back in a bit. Okay, let me show you the final bin. So this box was originally full. I'm down to this little bit. So what I'm going to do is those Stampin' Up! Kits that I showed you at the beginning, I'm going to move into this box. So those will be completely gone, and this box will be mostly full. At least that's the plan. This is my regular box. I still actually have a little bit of room, so everything fit in here. I feel really good about this. Quite pleased. This is all my travel stuff, so that's going to stay there. And then also sort of travel is this, and I think what I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to put them over here because this is specifically for my Yosemite trip. All of these are going to go in with my niece's kind of project stuff. This is day in the life kind of thing, week in the life. This is for either I am fit, or what do you call it? One little word, kind of self-improvement stuff. This stack here is to make cards, and World Card Making Day is coming up, so I might take a break from cleaning my room and just make a bunch of cards to put a dent in here. Let me put these away, the boxes, and then I will come back and show you what is going, or what is departing from my craft room. Okay, here is the end result. So all of these, I don't even know if you can see how big this pile is. I can't even pick it up. So all of these cards, an equal stack, all these 4x6 cards, and all these mishmash cards are going to a different home. I feel really great about this. I feel it's much more manageable. I have most of what I have in one container that I can access on a normal basis, and then I have a few kits and stuff like that. So yeah, I feel really good about it, and yeah, we'll call this one a success. Hope you guys have taken the opportunity to go through something in your craft room and work along with me. If you have been, please leave a comment below what your successes are, what you've been struggling with, and maybe we can encourage each other to complete this. Until next time, happy crafting.